Today we are going to solve a simple problem of number theory, and from the question you can see that two relationships are given for x and y, and then it's told that what is the greatest possible value for the difference between x and y. So for x, the number lies between -5 to 5. So in the x-axis, if this is 0 and this is approximately 5 and number 5, then x lies within these values. And for y, it starts with 0 and extends until 13. So we assume 13 is somewhere around here. So for y, the value lies within this. So we have to find the difference between x and y in such a way so that the difference is maximum. So in order to have a difference maximum, we have to make it in such a way so that x is the biggest possible value and y is the lowest possible value, and in only that case the difference will be the maximum. Now for the x value, we can see that it extends from -5 to +5, so the greatest value that can happen for x is 5, and for y we need to find the lowest value, so the lowest value that it starts with is 0. So the biggest possible difference that we can get for x and y is actually 5 minus 0 or 5. So for this case the answer would be B.